Oh yeah.
Soup's up, Calcifer.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is so fun. Today we are doing a video that I have not done for 5 years on this channel, but I feel like is my true specialty. We are going to be doing a little gift-giving roulette situation today. Thank you so much to Google for sponsoring this video. We have here 2 bowls in front of me, one of which has names of friends and people in my life that we are going to be gift giving today. I actually don't exactly know who's in this bowl, so it's a surprise to you and me. And then over in this bowl, we have categories, which is like a fun little twist to this game. And I will say some of these categories are just very Remy coded, and then some of the categories are actually on Google's Holiday 100 list. If you guys haven't heard of Google's Holiday 100 list, it's really, really cool. If you are someone who struggles to gift give during the holiday season, this is pretty much made for you. It's a list of gift ideas that are based on popular search trends for the year. So basically you can find a bunch of awesome gifts that you know that people are going to be looking for, that are trendy, that someone's going to love in your life. Stay tuned to learn about a giveaway that I'll be hosting, and let's get on to the video. Okay, excitement everybody. First person that we are going to be drawing for is... I swear I didn't cheat! I swear this came off the floor. Cal! And then for Cal's category, we have comfort meal. Cal's gonna get his favorite comfort meal. Actually, he's been asking me to make him a specific recipe, so this is perfect. 2 birds with 1 stone. Next up, we have Alicia! Alicia Marie is getting something from, I wanna not look. She's gonna be so happy. The accessories category. I could not think of a more perfect match made in heaven other than me and Alicia. The numbers are dwindling down. Zayn and Heath. Favorite food. If you watched the most recent episode of Basically Unfiltered, we talked about their favorite foods the entire time. I will have to make them some sort of sweet treat because that's all they like, truly. 2 more options, here we go. The next person is Ash. Okay, and Ash is getting something from Home Upgraded, which she just moved. It's perfect. And last but not least, we have, who could this be? Oh, it's Ollie! You're gonna get something, baby! What are you gonna get from? You're getting from Nature Needs! This is actually so perfect because Cal's been asking me to make him his favorite pasta lately, and I've been meaning to. I just haven't gotten to it. So now, let's make it together. Also, this is a lot of my friends' favorite pasta that I make, and a lot of people are always asking for the recipe, so this is perfect. Let's get cooking. We're gonna begin by boiling some pasta. Water in the pot. Like cauldron. Always remember to put a lid on your pot when you're boiling water because it makes it boil way faster. Chicken breasts in between some parchment paper, like so. And we're gonna take a mallet and pound them nice and thin. We want them a nice even layer. You can make them as thin as you want to get a really nice crispy cutlet. This just ensures that it cooks all nice and evenly throughout. So bam, 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 bam. Oh, my wrist hurts. Oh, they're gorgeous. Let's move on to breading them and frying them. The best part. Breading station time. We're gonna take 1 cup of flour, put her in 1 bowl, 2 cups of panko, a little extra for good luck, 1 teaspoon of salt into the flour, 1 teaspoon of salt into the panko, 1/8 teaspoon of pepper into the flour, 1/8 into the panko. We're gonna season both the flour and the panko so every layer has flavor. Teaspoon of garlic in the flour, teaspoon of garlic in the panko, you catch my drift. Teaspoon of onion powder. I'm measuring very carefully for you so you can follow this at home. And a teaspoon of Italian seasoning in both, and then mix them all up nice and well. Couple eggs into the middle bowl. Whisk. We're ready to bread. 1 hand's gonna use the dry method, as we all know. Into the egg mixture. Wet hand. Give her a good flip. Into the panko. And then you wanna really press all of this in there. Also, if you want to be extra crazy, you can go back in and double layer it. Extra crunchy. Time to cook the pasta. The Remy merch is wonderful. Works as a pot holder as well. We're salting the water to taste like the sea. We'll put in 1 box of pasta. I'm using rigatoni. You can do penne. Now in this saucepan, I'm going to add some neutral oil to the bottom so that we are able to fry our chicken. You can also air fry it, but it's Cal's comfort meal, and I know he loves fried food. We're gonna fry it for him. Just until you have like a 1/2 inch of oil coating the bottom of the pan. Chicken in the oil, chicken in the oil. Make sure she reaches 160 degrees internally. We're not gonna get salmonella around here. Drain. Oh my God.
Are you okay?
I almost broke a nail. Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay, make sure you didn't
I'm
burn
okay.
yourself.
We're gonna save some residual pasta water for our sauce. Pasta's cooked. chicken is cooking. We're now gonna start making the sauce. I have 3 tablespoons of butter that I'm gonna cook over low heat in my pan, along with 2 tablespoons of oil in there. And then I'm gonna finely dice up 2 shallots, and I'm gonna do like 3 cloves of garlic, also minced. I got my shallots in with the butter and oil, and now I'm gonna add in my garlic. It's nice and brown and delicious. Now, to make this vodka sauce, we need vodka. I have a 1/3 cup of vodka, and I know it sounds crazy. You do cook the vodka or the alcohol out, so you won't get drunk off the pasta, but the vodka adds a really nice like lusciousness to the sauce that is just... We're now gonna pour our alcohol in here, and we're gonna let it cook down for a couple minutes to burn out that alcohol. Also noting, our pan has been on low heat. We're now gonna go in with 6 ounces of tomato paste, and we're gonna put this into our mixture. Fry up the paste till it's nice and dark red. Our large and in charge chicken breasts are cooked. Now I'm gonna pour in a 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream into my mixture nice and slowly. You can make it as creamy or as tomatoey as you'd like. I like mine way more on the creamy side, so honestly sometimes I'll even do 2/3 of a cup. It just depends how creamy you like it, but if you like it more tomatoey, do like 1/3 of a cup. Don't worry, we're seasoning her, of course. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper, and then you can do fresh herbs, your own concoction of dried herbs. I personally always just do Italian because it's way easier, and I'm gonna do 2 teaspoons of that to really flavor everything, and 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese right in there. Give her a good mix. And then now the pasta water comes into play, AKA liquid gold. This has the pasta starch in here, as you can see. So it's gonna help bind the sauce all together. I'm gonna start with 1/2 cup. It's gonna melt the cheese. It's gonna make it nice and smooth and creamy. If you forget, you can use regular water, but pasta water really takes it to the next level. And then you can add a little more if you want it more thin. You can just adjust to your liking. Ooh, she's getting cheesy. Woohoo. Also, if you want a little spice, you can add some red pepper flakes. Our pasta is drained. I'm gonna throw this in. I cooked it for 2 minutes less in the box because pasta is gonna continue cooking in the sauce. We don't want it to get overcooked and mushy. Give it a good coating. 2 more tablespoons of butter, and I'm gonna add more of my pasta water because I want mine to be a little thinner. Let's do a little Scooby-Doo bite. Ooh, look at that. If you like less breading, only do it once, but Cal loves it crispy, so. Soup's up, Calcifer. Chicken on top. Wowza. A little basil. Cal!
What's up?
I made you your favorite comfort meal.
No way.
You love when I make this pasta.
I love it.
Yeah, give us a good taste test. Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Try the big chicken.
Mmm.
Say happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Now kiss.
Now that we've pulled all the names and the categories, it's time to do my favorite thing in the world, which is shop. So as I said, I'm using Google's Holiday 100 to pick out all of the gifts for the people that are getting gifts from online. First up, we have Alicia. So I'm gonna go to that category and I'm gonna scroll to find something for her. As we know, she has been in her gold era. In case you missed it, Alicia and I both got our color analysis done in Korea, and she found out that she has been wearing silver when she technically should be wearing gold. So she's trying to redo her whole wardrobe now with gold. And on here, they have the Coach Tabby shoulder bag, which I've actually already bought for friends for gifts for birthdays and things in the past. It's so cute, and Coach is having such a moment. Alicia was literally telling me about a Coach bag like last week. And it's the puffy leather one that's so trendy right now. I feel like I could get a couple for her and surprise her. She's gonna love the gold, and she's been wanting Coach, so this is actually perfect. Okay guys, our packages have arrived, and we're gonna do a little unboxing for you of the stuff that we got. I cannot wait. Alicia has the best reactions to everything. I love surprising her with things because A, I love her so much. She's my best friend, obviously, but B, she has the best reactions that just make me laugh so hard. And I know she's gonna go crazy when she sees these, so let's unbox these gorgeous Coach Tabby shoulder bags. First, we have the black with the gold. I know she's gonna love it so much because she's been wanting gold, but not yellow gold. She's been very specific about like a brushed gold, so this is perfect for her. Obviously, this is an investment piece, but it is so high quality and gorgeous and will last forever. My mom has Coach bags that she literally still wears to this day, / also I know she will pass down to me. And then we also have this gorgeous color combination here as well. It's like a cream with also, again, the gold hardware. They are absolutely beautiful. They feel so, so nice. It's seriously so soft. I feel like you can can see just how soft and smooth it is. There's also so many pockets, which is so important for a girl in general. We have a pocket in the back. Also, of course, quite possibly one of the most iconic, recognizable logos. We have this gorgeous gold C on the front. That's like really nice and like heavy duty, very high quality. Pop, open, and close. So all your things are nice and secure and safe. And then when you open it up, you've got all of these pockets on the inside. We've got 2 with a divider as well as a zipper in the middle. So I would personally put my phone in there because as we know, I lose my phone a lot. So it's nice that it can be nice and safe. And what's super cool about this is it's super versatile. So you can wear it as a normal shoulder moment like this, which I love, or you could drop one, make it hands-free. You guys know I love a crossbody, and make it crossbody like this. Also, I don't know if you've seen it, but the Coach Tabby bag has gone super, super viral. I actually haven't seen like this iteration of it yet, but I love that it's super trendy and fun. With that being said, let's wrap them up and go surprise Alicia.
Wait. Oh, I think I know what it is.
Oh!
Shut up. Remy.
They're really cute. Look at this. Isn't that nice?
Because she's a gold girl.
She's a gold girl now.
Wait,
I love, yes, they're both for you. The puffy texture, isn't it so cute? They're so you. There you go, girl.
It is such a good size.
It's a perfect size.
Wow.
Wait,
it really is
Rem.
different.
Happy early holidays. This is so fun.
I'm obsessed.
It's so cute. So I baked my famous chocolate chip cookies. I brought them to the studio today and we're about to share them with the boys, and honestly, hopefully they'll share with me. I fresh baked these. I let the dough sit for a full day so the flavors could really meld, and they got delicious. Look at that. A little flaky salt on top to balance the sweetness. Cookies! Happy holidays! They're huge.
Wait,
They're so.
They're really big.
Wait, are they fresh baked?
Yeah, I fresh baked them.
Oh my god.
Well, I think- okay.
Oh
Wow, look at this break.
Oh, I'm gonna
No,
try
look
to
at
make
this.
them like nice and doughy.
Yeah.
None
Wow.
for you. Here we go. I did a mixture of milk chocolate and semi-sweet.
Zane, go.
You don't have to lie. You could say they're bad if they're bad.
Oh yeah.
Are they
Oh my
really?
god, yeah.
Are they really?
That's it.
Banging. Remy, oh my god.
Hear me out. I'm not joking.
Hear me out.
Remy, you could sell these.
Oh my god.
I'm not
Do you want
joking.
a bite? Do you want some?
I mean, I love some.
And I tried to make them so they, not
damn.
dry.
I forget what
Oh,
wedding,
wow.
I forget what wedding we went to, but
Wow. I also added fresh vanilla bean to them. I don't normally do. I did a
Really?
whole vanilla bean for you guys.
It's really good.
Thank you. Okay, next up, let's move to Ash. She has the category home upgraded, so I'm gonna go to that category. In case you missed it, she just moved into a new place with her boyfriend. I have an idea of a really good housewarming gift for both of them that I think they would love. In case you didn't know, I love a good robe, and I feel like they have to have like a really cute plushy robe. There's a plushy robe on here. It's literally called the plush robe. Okay, I'm gonna get one for her and also one for Jackson because I feel like they would love it, and also how cute to like wake, I'm like, it makes me emotional to think that they can wake up like on a weekend morning and put their robes on and have their coffee. The McDonald sisters love their coffee. That'd be really, really cute. I love it so much. And our robes arrived. They came in this beautiful Nordstrom garment bag. Let me just get them open so I can feel. I actually haven't felt like how soft they are, and I'm a bit of a robe snob. I take my robes very seriously. Oh, these are nice. Wow. Ultra soft. It literally just feels like you're wearing a blanket. This is gorgeous. And I got two. One for Ash, one for Jackson. I feel like this is like such a great little housewarming gift slash also a wonderful gift for the holidays. These are early holiday slash housewarming gifts for you and Jackson. Woo! What is this?
A robe?
They're plush robes. I know! So you guys can wear them.
Literally the other day, Jackson was like, I've never really worn robes. And I was like, that's because you haven't worn the right robe.
You need it's a plush robe, and you can have your coffee in the morning, and it's so you guys.
I'll send you a photo of him being a
With
robe
coffee
guy.
and clothes.
He'll become a robe guy now.
Yay! And last but not least, my best friend Ollie, he got the category Nature Needs. So let's give her a look-see. This is actually perfect because Ollie has been on his health grind, which I'm so proud of him. So I feel like I could find something that will help to encourage and just know I'm cheering for him through this time. One thing that I know Ollie loves is juices. He's a big juice fan, and I would love to find him maybe like a juicer or honestly a kitchen appliance, because I want him to learn how to cook. I want him to learn how to do all those sorts of things. So I do feel there is a juicer. Okay, we have here, ooh, this is a nice one. This is the Williams-Sonoma Cuisinart. Love both of those brands. Easy, clean, slow juicer. The worst part about a juicer is when it takes 5,000 days to clean it. So I know he's gonna love that. The juicer has arrived. This is a gorgeous juicer. We have the Cuisinart Juice Fusion. I love when the juicers have like a little stop like this and you could just open it, it just flows out. It just takes a little bit of work, but once you get the hang of it, it's really easy and saves you so much money in the end. Dun da da da! Happy holidays, babe. You got picked for a very special gift.
I got picked.
I know you're on your health journey right now, and I think you're gonna love it. Ollie will
Oh
go
my
to
god.
this juice shop.
This is crazy.
If you remember when I lived in downtown, Ollie and I would go to the same juice shop. He still goes there and buys a juice for like $12. You can make it at home now, baby. You're welcome. I love you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had the best time making this. Truly, it's like all of my favorite things are wrapped into one: shopping, friends, gift giving, all of the things. I have so many other people in my life that I would love to give really fun gifts to this year. So if you guys want a part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5 to this video, let me know. Special shout out to Coach for the amazing bags. And I'll be using Google's Holiday 100 list to shop for all the other people in my life this season. Check out the description box if you guys want to see the link to the list as well as the details for the giveaway. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.